Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to take you to a tour of Intercontinental Istanbul. This is one of the most beautiful hotels where I've stayed, and it's on the banks of the Bosphorus, and you get a lovely views of that which we'll show you in this video. So come, let's go. The entrance to this hotel is very beautiful. This is very centrally located hotel and it's very well connected by the metro, by the bus. I'll leave all the details in the description box. So time to check in, and we were given a very warm welcome by Miss Diogo Tufekci. I have never met a better person than her on a front desk. Thank you, ma'am. The lobby is very well lit, beautifully decorated with waterfalls, flowers, and then we have the City Light pub on the lobby level. Okay, time to check out the different rooms. They have basically two categories. They have classic room and premium rooms. The views might differ. One is the lovely Bosphorus view and the other one is facing the Taksim Square. We'll show you what we got. And they also have other suites which are junior, business, executive, Bosphorus and majestic. And here is the view from our room, the Bosphorus view. If you get a chance to stay in this hotel, you have to take this view. No other view, please. हाँ जी स्वीटी, हमारा अच्छा सा वेलकम हुआ है. It's a nice welcome by IG every time. So what all do we have here?
We have some chocolates, cookies, sparkling water, fruits.
Other than the tea, coffee, unlimited drinking water is also available. Let's check out the toilet, which is one of the most important things. They have very nice toiletries, mouthwash. Again, the quality of the towels are very good. Tub is there, rain shower is there, no complaints at all. Like any other 5-star, they have the standard amenities. The best I liked was they have extra selection of pillows. Now let's check out their other amenities. Let's check out the gym first. They have got a huge gym, one of the biggest gym I've ever seen. Oh, by the way, the gym did not include the treadmills. They have a separate cardio zone. Amazing. Yes, if you are in Istanbul or in Turkey, you have to have a Turkish bath. This is free if it's not booked. And if you want somebody to assist you in Turkish bath, then you can hire or you can go for it. But it's very expensive, about 100 euros. Then massage rooms, jacuzzi. And this is one of the best parts of the hotel. It's called relaxation room. Amazing view of the Bosphorus and the city. They have got wooden chair and marble chairs which are heated for relaxation.
बहुत ही मस्त है ये. आहा. Next level मस्त है ये.
Nice pool, and on the right you can see the pool bar. And this is one of the restaurant called the Brasserie, where you have the breakfast in the morning. Amazing breakfast, amazing, outstanding spread. Let's go take a look. Say hello. The breakfast spread is really lavish, and you can really enjoy your Turkish breakfast here. I would definitely recommend this. Hey, good morning everyone. The benefit of coming early, it's 7:30 in the morning and you can see there's hardly anybody around. Yesterday when we came about 9, it was very, very busy. So I think that if you come a little early, it will be beneficial because then there's nobody and you can enjoy breakfast and we got a lovely table with a lovely view. Would I recommend you this hotel? Definitely yes. Great location, great food, cleanliness, and in the end, great staff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Before leaving you, enjoy some Bosphorus views. Bye.